Life's a losing game when you don't play. Don't hold your cards too close, is what they say. And love is just another leap of faith, but I'll jump right in.
Hey, welcome back to the channel. This is a very new series on the channel because we are going to dive deep into the newest pack, Enchanted by Nature. This is our two main characters. This is Asha and Rosita Fair, and they will be exploring this new map, I guess. So, Asha and Rosita didn't grow up in INNISGREEN. They were born and raised in a coastal town a few hours away, a sleepy, sun-washed place filled with routine and polite silence. After their mother passed away, when Asha was just a teen, the sisters were left with their father, who, let's just say, was more present in body than spirit. Grief aged him fast. He stopped talking about their mother, stopped looking at the girls, really. But one thing remained, their mother's old stories. She used to tell them bedtime tales of fairies, cursed woods, and green tangled places closer to the earth than heaven. Places like Innisgreen where she once claimed she had roots no one else remembered. Years later, after their father passed away, Asha found this lot in a screen tucked in their mother's old spell book. Yes, a spell book, which both girls had always dismissed as just eccentric poetry. But but the lot was real, paid in full, and something about it called to Asha. So she packed up their lives with Rosalita. Yeah, she dragged Rosalita with her, hoping that a fresh start in their mother's enchanted town would bring them peace. So this is the lot. I made this. uh, Um, this is not the greatest, and it's actually already in spring, but I don't know why the trees are still like this. So yeah, we're just gonna stick with it. And I have never played this pack before, so it's kind of exciting to just start new, you know. I mean, I haven't really paid attention to any other packs. Like, I haven't really played this spellcaster pack, the expansion pack, yeah. They will soon have their period. Okay. Um, let me just put this in 0 simoleons because we want to do rags to riches. So Rosita will have the fairy stories, and Asha will have the nature nomads. So she wants to catch a fish, harvest a plant on Asha's home lot, and forage for food 5 times. Can we forage here? Yep, we can. Let's start. Yeah. Become a fairy. Throw 3 fairy dances parties on a fairy home. Okay. Befriended 2 fairy sims. Well, that's so fast because I want this episode to not lean into fairy too much. Uh, I need to get to level 2. They keep talking, so that's fine. I guess you can play in water, look for frogs. Can you look for frogs? Oh my god. Okay. Is this a new animation? I think it is. I'm not sure. Let's forage more. I need the skill. Looks like Asha has felt the effects of luck for the first time. Okay. Let me just spam it. Did she get one? Oh my god, my baby. But she thinks her good luck impacted what she found while foraging. Oh. can't really do anything in here. Oh, we can harvest mushroom. Is this a lot? It's not a lot. It's quite nice living in here, you know. Looks quite good. What's this? Oh, she likes gardening? Of course. Shop. Oh, I can sell something here? No elixirs. Shop for apothecary. Apple. No. Let's see what she got. Oh, she already got something. Christmas rose. Okay, we can sell all of these. Because we need money. It's only... Oh, wow. Can you forage here? You can't. You can only forage in your lot. Okay. Oh, wait. I can. What happened to you? Oh my god. What? Stinky bug from a foraging incident? You can bathe in here. Sure. I didn't even see the animation. Worse luck. She got worse luck. Did she? Rosita can't be totally sure, but she feels like a bad luck is looming over her today. Alright. I think your sister's got more luck than you. What's this? Do I want to see these? Kinda curious. She's crying. She's crying because she doesn't got anything. Oh, Asha. She's still... What? It takes so long. Well, I mean, she's almost done. Perform odd job. Vacuum house. You don't got a house. Meet someone new and throw off a seam's balance. How? Oh, I can do that. I don't think I want to do that to Asha though, because they're sisters. Oh, she's level 2. We can forage for food now. Wait, yeah, let's try that. Oh my god. This bitch. Oh, I didn't even realize she got... Yeah. Well, I guess Asha's been working hard to get more a... Wait, we got 500 already? She found some simoleons while foraging. Oh my god! That's so cool! Grape. Frail quantity. Okay. Oh, she needs to take a shower too. I don't think we want to take a shower here anymore. I guess we can get some... Can you stop? Can you stop? You've been doing nothing all day. Summon a privy bush. Isn't this something that you can take What? What? This is so goofy. Look at her. Oh, I always thought Rosita is gonna be the type to be serious. But she's just been playing in water. Well, I guess that's the younger sister's behavior. She got so many. Okay. And she completed one task of the aspiration, foraged for food 5 times. That's so good. Okay. Let me sell these one simoleons thingy. Oh, 1, 2, 3 simoleons. And then, ooh, while foraging, Asha found something bizarre. The corner of a large and expensive sofa, buried with a protective waterproof wrapping picked out from the soil. How can there a sofa inside this lot? Why was it buried and by who? Asha has no clue, but as the old saying goes, one Sim's buried luxury sofa is another Sim's forged luxury sofa? Yeah? A brand new Captain Rodrigo de Pablo couch can be found in Asha's household inventory. Okay, we got a couch. I mean, we can sell that. Let's see. Yeah. For how much? $1,000? Oh my God, we are so lucky. Do we want to sell these? Well, I mean, we can try to make something first. They need. I guess they need a sleeping bag. No, let's get. Let's get some shower. 300. That's so many. Well, I guess we can do these first. Yeah, I think we need this. We are so lucky though. I want you to try to forage. I want you to get your foraging skill or something. I don't know. She needs to. Um, can you summon a privy bush there? Look at Asha. Oh, she got something. Oil? What is this? Oi, Gabi? What? Should we get a job? I don't know. In my previous series, Fairy Veggie Challenge, I got my main character to do small businesses, so yeah, we don't really get a job like that. Do we have to do that? I mean, we don't have any challenges right now, so I can do anything. Boohoo in bush? With who? Enchant tree plants. When fairy with fairy dust in her inventory, she doesn't have fairy dust. Find an item from the INNISGREEN ingredient collections. Have a drink at the club. Do we have a club in INNISGREEN? I don't think so. I don't think so. Oh, we have the bar. Should we go there? We should. Oh my God, I want to go here. Yeah. It's 8 p.m. 8 or 6, I don't know. It's the bar with Asha. Confess. What did I just saw? What did I just confess what? I usually, if I'm trying to play in a certain world, I would just bulldoze a bunch of pre-made lot and get some from the gallery because I already know it's not gonna look good, and I want something that, yeah, I want something a bit furnished. But now I know that. Oh wait, new family dynamic. Sure. Now I actually want a to see the pre-made builds because I know the creators actually made the builds, not the EA team. So yeah. Oh, they're dancing together. Oh, get it, girl. Get it, girl. Hey, hey. Oh, next episode we're going to explore more about getting into become a fairy with Rosita. I mean, I want them both to be fairies, but I want Rosita to be the one that actually be the. Oh my god! Leave, please. I have a I have a very stupid. Let me just get them some. Let me just get them some sleeping bags or something. Let's go sleep. Sleep. It looks like double bed, but it's just like single bed that I pushed into. Oh, look at them. And then can have a cereal. You can also get. This is so goofy. They have Asian squats. Oh my god. Sure, sure, sure. Is it cold? Please don't sit there. Please don't sit there. Confident. Let's forage for food. Forage again. We actually have some grill in here that we can use, which is fine. We also have. Oh, I totally forgot we have this. Oh, yeah, yeah. What should we do now? I want to explore more about the shopper gardening and live houseplant supplies. Maybe we can do that. It's the park. This is a park? What else can we do? This is the bar, I know. Oh, what's this? This is summon? Oh, um, vertical garden. Oh my god, it's so expensive. Should we get something cheap first? So expensive though. Oh, this is indoors. Terrasphere, tabletop plant pot. Hmm. Um, she's gonna summon this one. I don't know what. Oh, oh, is this a plant scene? Oh, it's a garden paw. Summon Spruce Almighty. What? I got a crush on you? Oh wow. The crush that never fades. Okay. Let's go home. Let's go home. Yeah, you need to take a shower. Oh, where's our home? This. Let's take a shower. And you, quit flirting, okay? Okay, quit flirting. That's enough. That's enough. Okay, okay, okay. I see. I see. Go back to your house, girl. Go back to your house. Give a massage to Spruce. We're not that close yet, okay? We are not getting a baby plans. No. Let's find something here. She wants to plant something. We can. Where's this one? Was it Snapdragon? Why do they always want to play in the water? Dominic. No. Do something romantic. Have a child. What? Flirt with Grayson? Who's Grayson? Let's go home. Let's go home. And then we can get Grayson, I think. Oh, they have bad compatibility. Oof. Should should we get Spruce? Oh. Oh my god. What? Jealous? Okay. She. It feels like it has been forever since Rosita has been romantic with her partner. She doesn't have a partner. Oh my god. Oh my god. She slaps him. Be offered to Rose. Oh my god. She's been flirting with every townies. What? What just happened? Have it? No. You can't have a child, please. Okay, what is Asha's doing? Having her first kiss? With the no? Oh my god. What the hell is happening? Hello? Her first kiss is this Spruce guy? What? What? Oh, no, 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 no. I didn't even... Steamy? Oh my god, I swear to god, if they start to hoo-hoo, I'm gonna lose my mind. I'm gonna lose my mind. Let's just say yes. And they start... Okay, Asha, let's eat, girl. Let's get something. Cereal. Yeah, cereal at 1 p.m. Let's learn Spruce woohoo interest. Okay. Be carist. I have to make over him because I don't think I can stand this guy's face. What? Okay. Good, good, good. You're leaving. Rosita and Spruce are both very satisfied in their relationships. Oh my god. I mean, girl, if you're really interested in that kind of sim, I don't mind, but he was just kissing around other townies though. It's closed. What? How can it be closed? Study? Yeah, we can try that. And oh my god, I need you to not do any romantic interactions anymore because I don't want any kids in episode 1, okay, Rosita? Maybe we should have summoned the plant guy with Asha because we can get some gardening tips from him. Why there's so many plants, Sam? Is she playing again? Of course you are. I don't think she can do anything. Befriend two fairy sims. I don't think we have one. We have Nadia Kishka. Oh, this is one of the OG townies that I make over. Wait, let's be friendly. Let's friendly introductions. Look at her. Yeah. Hey, Nadia. Hey, ask about favorite color. I think I know what's your favorite color. I think I know. Oh my god, wait. Hold on. Hold on, guys. Wait, purple and pink. Wait, that's so cute. I need to shop something. I need to look at the shops in here. Apothecary. Wait. Basil, calming draught. Embarrassed emotion potion. Wait, is this potions can like give someone the moodlet of embarrassment? Or can we only use that for ourselves? Emotional void cure. This will cure the emotional void ailment. Let's buy the book actually. And as for mentoring, oh, she's level 2. Through muddling, mixing, and mashing, Asha can now forage for apothecary ingredients and craft cures for the following ailments. Sonic okay, I'm not gonna read that. The apothecary study set decoration is available for purchase in build mode. Wow, wait, we can do that. We can buy one of those. Are they friends yet? Don't think so. Oh, wait, yeah, we already are friends. Well, I guess you can go home. Well, I guess this is the right time to end the video. I think we make a pretty good progress so far. And yeah, for the next episode, we will dive into the fairy stuff. Don't worry, I just want to warm up before all this Enchanted by Nature pack. Yeah. And thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next episode. Bye.